Today's tool of the day is the Rescue 42 TeleCrib struts. We have two different ones available to us in our rigs. The one on the left is the original strut. That one is going to be on 204 and 217. Collapse like this is about 3 feet, and then if you extend it all the way, it can reach about 8 feet. Depending on how high you have it set and whether you're using a single pin or 2 pins, you can get anywhere from 4,000 pounds fully extended, and then collapsed now with 2 pins, it can carry up to 18,000 pounds. The other factor that ties into that is what part of this, the head is carrying the weight. So if you're using the point on this side, you're limited to 4,000 pounds. If you're using the chain slot here and doing a cradle, you're gonna be limited to 6,600 pounds. And then if you do need to achieve that heavier load, possibly up to that 18,000 pounds, you need to be carrying your load on the center load plate. Also for that, to really use this system, you're gonna need to grab your chains and your ratchet straps, which makes their newer model, they call this the TeleCrib Junior. This was more designed for like a first-in engine company, a little smaller package, all in one, versus the larger struts with the additional equipment and separate bags, more ratchet straps, heavier duty, stronger, but something that's more designed to be on a heavy rescue versus like a first-in engine. So this is packaged a little tighter, same height about 3 feet when it's collapsed. This one can move up to 6 feet. This one has a 5,000 pound working range or load range. Same limits apply to the head of the unit. So got the point, the center load plate, and the chain slot. This one obviously has the ratchet strap built right into it. The strap goes down underneath here and then up and connects to the head there. As it's stored, it's free spinning. So all you have to do is start extending that head or disconnecting the latch and run it out to whatever it is you're going to secure it to. On the other side, you'll see a stake, an anchor point. Pull this pin, this stake pulls out, and you'll see on the foot of this there's a hole. You could drive that down into there as an anchor point also. You'll notice on both of the foot plates on these units, there's multiple holes, and these slots are rated to where you can take your ratchet straps right into the base and hook right into there and not need to worry about it. The other part of this, besides the additional ratchet straps or chains, depending on what kind of lift you're doing, you'll get these hook clusters. You have a cinch ring, you have your T-hook, your regular chain hook, and then just a grapple hook to assist in grabbing whatever you can on a car to help stabilize it. If you go on Rescue 42's website, they have a ton of training videos with some really good content. Take a peek.